This is why I do this job. I made a ton of people happy. I protected a lot of homes. I made a ton of money, and I'm on top of the world right now. I got this sales high that's not gonna go away.
Most companies, they teach a sales rep to come up, knock on a door, and they talk about how they're giving this great discount for that day. They feel like they're getting sold. The difference in our sales process versus everybody else is that we help the sales reps understand how to build the value of the service and demonstrate that to the potential customers. People don't want to be sold, but people love to buy. When we get customers to experience their home, we're walking them around their home. We're actually showing them the problems. We're putting the problem in their hand. And we're demonstrating to them what we're gonna do to get rid of that problem for them. And lots of times those are problems they didn't even know about.
It's actually a life-changing job if you're willing to put in the work and the effort because of what you can get out of it between learning about yourself, learning communication skills.
But we want you to actually enjoy your summer as well. You know, we're going whitewater rafting down the Ocoee River. We're going out to play paintball. We're heading to a theme park, a day on the lake with jet skis and boats and grilling steaks the size of your head.
You're selling pest control in an area of the country that just needs it.
It's really nice to know that you're working for a company who wants to help, that wants to make a difference and wants to be the best.
And when they know that they're selling for the best possible company, that gives them an infinite amount of confidence. So they know that they're in the right place, doing the right thing.
Oh man. I am acting right now.